Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to connect Google Analytics 4 with Wix and Squarespace. So first of all, we need to understand what is Google Analytics 4. So Google Analytics 4, which we can also call GA4, is the latest version of Google Analytics, a web analytics service offered by Google, and it is designed to give users an improved understanding of their customers, their website performance, and also their marketing efforts. It features a new user interface, enhanced data collection, improved data analytics, and reporting, and many more. It also includes some features like Google Optimize, Google Tag Manager, and App Plus Web, and there are more out there. So, without further wait for it, let's get started. So, first thing first, what we need to do, we need to search analytics.google.com, or you can easily just search over here like analytics Google. Simple, right? And obviously, you need a Google account for this, right? So I'm just gonna click on this right now and it will open up. It's loading right now, wait for it. And here we are. So this is the main page where we are going to start, right? And you will end up over here. So you can see like complete information, get insights only Google can give, and connect your insights to result. So it's very easy to understand like what this is going to be and how you can start. Just click on start measuring. Once you click on it, you will end up seeing this screen and you are going to name this. Obviously you are going to name something, right? So right now I'm going to name something like for this purpose, for this tutorial purpose, I'm just going to name normal, like how to simple. So I'm just gonna write that how to simple. After that, you can see some account data sharing settings. You can just look out over here and try to understand that. After that, just click on next. Once you click on next, you will end up seeing this and property details. So here you are going to write your property details and create a Google Analytics 4 property to measure your web and app data. So what it does, like you need to write property name, like whatever you are going to work. So you can also write account name over here, obviously. So I'm going to work on how to simple. So I'm just going to write over here how to simple, right? And you can see that you can even choose your time zone over here, your currency, and there are a lot of currency out there, so you can choose anything from over here. You can just click on show advanced options and you can see that create a universal analytics property. If you want to enable that, you can also do that from over here, but for now just click on next. And here we are. So business information, so you just name your business and now you need to tell them like what is it all about, right? So which industry it belongs. So once you click on it, you can see there are many industries over here. So I'm just gonna go with like jobs and education, maybe, or something like that, or yeah, I'm going with this jobs and education. So once you click on it, you can just tell the size of like business size. How big is it? Like, is it small, medium, large, or very large? I'm just going with the medium. And how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business? So why are you using this Google Analytics for your business, right? So you can track them out, like whatever your customer is doing and what are like everything else is going on. You just don't need to go ahead and find everything by yourself. Google will do it for you. So what are those things? Like measure customer engagement with my site or app, optimize my site or application. So you can choose any of them, like multiple, or you can choose all of them if you want. So I'm just going like randomly for this tutorial and just click on create. So you can see that Google Analytics terms of service agreement. Obviously you just need to click on I accept, and if you want to read this, you can also read that, but because this is a tutorial, right, I'm just telling you how you can do that. So I'm just going to click on this and click on I accept. Once you click on it, you can see this icon over here, success. After that, you can see over here like my email communication. So Google Analytics can email you all those things like over here, offers from Google, feedback and testing, feature announcements, and performance. If you want to just select them, you can also do that. Otherwise, I'm just going with this one, save, and I'm just going to close this. So here we are. This is a Google Analytics, sorry. And from now on, what we are going to do, obviously we are going to connect our Wix and Squarespace, right? So those are websites. So you can see over there, choose a platform. So I'm going to click on web. So once you click on web, so this window will come up, and obviously we need to connect our Squarespace and Wix website with this. So you need to write that over here, and you need to stream that name, like obviously, I mean, not stream that name, obviously you are going to name that website URL, obviously, because there might be more of them, like you want to add more websites, so obviously you are going to name them individually to organize things, and if you want to enhance management, you can see automatically measure interaction and content on your sites. In addition to standard page view measurement, you can see over here like what is going to measure, like outbound clicks, page views, scrolls, site search, video engagement, and there are many more. And after like entering your details over here, you can just click on create stream. So after clicking on create stream, you can see that you will have your stream URL over here, your stream name, and obviously stream ID, measurement ID, which you will use for your Wix website and also for Squarespace. So this measurement ID is very useful in my opinion. What you can do is just click on save this, copy this and save it, so you can remember this for later. And this is your stream ID and your status. After that, there are some informations over here which you want to read, you can do that. Otherwise, all the work has been done. Now let's connect this with our website, Wix and Squarespace. So right now you can see that we are in our wix.com and we have already logged in. So what you need to do, you need to go over like marketing SEO, and you will see the marketing integration over here, as you can see, which you will click on it, and after that it will take you right over here and you will find Google Analytics, because we need to connect that, right? And just simply click on connect, and after clicking on it, it will take you over here and you can see that like add Google Analytics ID. What is Google Analytics ID? Because we have already copied that measure ID. That's the same ID we are going to use over here to connect those accounts, or to like obviously to your Google Analytics. So just click on it and obviously paste that over here. Once you paste that over here, give it a time, because it will take around 48 hours to start seeing your data, and just give it a day at least. So after that it will start getting your analytics for your website. So this is how you are going to connect with your Wix. Now we are going to talk about Squarespace. So after you log into your Squarespace, you will end up seeing something like this on the left hand side of your window, obviously, and you just need to go ahead and click on settings. And after that it will take you right over here, and there are more settings you can see, and on the bottom you can see that we have advanced option. Click on it and it will take you over here, and what you need to do is just simply click on external API keys, like the first option, and it will take you right over here. You just need to paste your measure ID over here again and simply click on save, which you can find above this. Obviously it will not appear over here, but you will find over here once you paste that over here. That's how you are going to connect your Google Analytics 4 with your Wix and Squarespace website. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.